G'day, it's John from OGS, back with another episode, and today we've got something very special for you. We've got a car review. It's a 2007 Subaru XT Forester Luxury Edition. Let's go for a bit of a walk. This particular car, as I mentioned, 2007 Forester. It's finished in dark grey metallic. The paintwork really shines. They definitely got something right with these paint schemes. 6-spoke Avid rims. You got to keep your brake calipers nice and clean, but it looks Mickey Mouse, tell you what. And of course, you got the Street Series monster rims for when you want to go around corners quickly. You know, Subarus aren't just for people that like to vape and look really cool down Lygon Street. They're for people that actually want to take it out and have a bit of fun. Factory tinted windows for all that privacy, for whatever you're getting up to, all those adventure times. So this car sits on BC coilovers all around, fully adjustable, so you get that sort of squatting look if you want, or raised up high depending on your situation. Again, look at that paintwork, it absolutely glistens in the sun. Not the biggest cannon I've seen. I can put a little finger in there, a few fingers in there. Bit sooty. So you've been busting your ass all week. Can't wait to go camping with the boys. We'll check out all this boot space here. Chuck your tent, everything you ever need. You know, get there in style with the leather seats and the slimline base, rubber mat. So this car's functional, and I guess it's pretty fast. This particular car's had a stage 2 tune from Horsepower Factory, which means new chip, turbo back exhaust, dyno tune. So it went from 121 kilowatts to 161, that's pretty good. 40 kilowatt increase. For the blokes that are talking old money like myself, about 220 horsepower, all-wheel drive, 5-speed manual gearbox. I think she's gonna go pretty well. Of course, classic Subaru doesn't have that pillar around there, so it's just glass, which is phenomenal. Everything's soft touch, leather. These cars could be had for about 12 grand, and I reckon that represents pretty good value in my book, especially with a turbo. I reckon the seats probably rival the XD, look at that. Comfy. Ooh. Yeah, luxury's nice, and you know, interior, blah, 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 but everybody wants to see the Wuhan war whistle. Well, we've got a bunch of stuff under here. You can see the alternator, compressor, intercooler, pipes galore, cold air intake. This bad boy here, this big tube goes out in here, gets some cold air into this bad boy. Coilovers, you beauty. Fully adjustable. You know, this kind of car might be the natural progression for all the blokes that were into auto salon back in the day. You know, they still want to get their kicks with a turbo motor. You know, they want a little bit of power. You know, they still want to look good. This car might be the answer. Subaru distinctive sound comes from the engine. 4-cylinder, boxer style, 2 pistons going, oh, how do I go that way? So it's sort of a horizontal type configuration. It's got that deep growl, as you guys would have heard. Hey, this thing's a beast. Goes pretty hard, I'd say. Maybe not as hard as the XT, but who knows? Who's even counting, mate? So if you're looking for a fun daily driver, something that you can take on an adventure, mate, this might be your answer. For something that's around $12,000, it's got a turbo, manual, luxurious, comfortable, and you can mod it because there's a huge aftermarket for this particular car. Subaru might be the way to go for you. Thanks for checking out our videos. Really appreciate your support. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. We've got plenty more things coming with the Integra, XE, and perhaps a new engine for the XD. Stay tuned. G'day, it's John from OGS. Thanks for your support as always. We're looking for some people to collaborate with, and if you've got a cool car, send in a picture and video and bring your car down here. I'd love to review it. In exchange, we've got some awesome merch packs to give away. Send it in now. Cheers.